Hello friends, Faust here. If you don't know me, I'm a professional occultist, chaotic neutral, a celebrated diviner, and a swamp witch. Last weekend I took my sister to New Orleans for some good vibes and quality time. Her name is Daisy. She's a fashion designer, a god-tier cosplayer, and a historical clothing maverick. Anyway, even though I'm a professional cartomancer, sometimes I like to commission another diviner for a few reasons. To support other occultists, to see if they're a gimmick, to get a new perspective, or to just plain judge them. What? I did say I'm chaotic neutral. I often joke about practitioners in New Orleans being a gimmick, a stereotype, a tourist trap. So Daisy and I thought it would be fun to record a session or two and evaluate it for the channel. Both practitioners agreed to be recorded, and of course, were tipped extra for being good sports. Before I get to that, if you're interested in the occult, my channel is still so small that I notice every new subscriber, and it gives me a lovely little taste of dopamine every time I see a new one. No pressure, but it would mean so much to me if you could help my channel grow. Now, without further prattling, I'll let you be the judge. Are there real occultists in New Orleans? First, I naturally had to hit Jackson Square, but we were near Café Du Monde, so apologies for the background noise here. This lady's name was Willow, and she's gonna read some tarot for me.
I have, and I love your snake reading.
Oh, thank you. It's all about Damballa and bringing in the money.
Damballa? What's that?
Damballa is voodoo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not as familiar with the voodoo.
Okay.
I mean, I know where it's zombie, but who doesn't?
Well, very nice to meet you. I'm Willow.
Nice to meet you, Willow.
So I'm going to let you choose which deck you would like me to read from tonight.
I feel drawn to that one.
This one? All right.
I like that you have an option. That's cool.
I always feel that it's important for you to choose which one, because the one that you are more attracted to will absorb more of your energies. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the first 3 cards. And the reason I do that is I want to make sure I'm connecting. Now, if this doesn't make any sense, that's fine. I'll shuffle the cards some more. But this tells me if we connected. So I'm going to read the present to you. All I want is yes or no if this makes sense.
Okay.
Okay?
Sure.
So right now I'm feeling some impatience. There's something that you've been waiting for, and maybe it's not manifested itself just yet. But because of that, it's causing you to feel a little imbalanced because you're waiting. It's this waiting game. And you know you've made the right decisions. You just got to wait for it. Does that make sense to you?
Resonating.
Okay. Awesome. So I'm going to look at the next 6 months. Get these cards out here. I've got enough room. Okay. Now, this was a time when you had to remember the difference between an obstacle and a challenge. Because really, there are no obstacles. There are challenges. We have to look at them as a challenge. When we do that, it's easier to overcome them. We grow from them. We put our best foot forward. We have to work a little bit harder or maybe a little bit smarter. But it's not a brick wall. It's not a mountain that we can't get over. Okay? And they just want you to remember over this next 6 months, never say it's an obstacle. It's always just a challenge.
Got it.
Okay? Now, in this next 6 months, we're going to look at these 2. They're going to be the strongest energies around you. So, first off, I'm feeling with this page over here, a Page of Pentacles. This card is about a new start. Now, this is one of those new starts that can bring in financial gain in the material, anything in the material area. Also better health, anything like that, right?
Yep.
And you cannot lose hope or faith, even when you have to be patient. Okay?
Oof, bullseye.
It's gonna happen. It may not happen overnight. It takes time. But you can do this. That's what they're telling me. Okay? So I want to look down here at this next 2. There are some assisting energies to help you out. First off, you got the High Priestess, and that says you got to pay attention to your intuition. What's it telling you? Don't think you're being silly. Intuition tells us for a reason. That's how our guides talk to us. That's how our higher self talks to us. That's how the goddess talks to us. Nice. How can we listen and hear it if we're not really listening to our own intuition? And they're also telling me that patience pays off into happiness and joy. So you will get what you're hoping for. And your guides are helping you. You just got to listen to that intuition.
Right on.
All right? Now, in your area of hope, what do you really want to get out of this? Well, you want to celebrate. You want this. You want this. You want to be able to celebrate this and benefit from it. You just got to be patient. It's going to happen. And overall, you have judgment. Now, judgment is really wonderful because that says you will not judge yourself harshly. You will not worry about what other people think about what you're doing here. It doesn't matter because you're doing the right thing.
That's not what judgment means.
Okay. So that's what I'm seeing.
Quickly, I want to wonder. So I'm kind of familiar with what is the interpretation of the Five of Swords in that position?
Here I'm giving her a second chance on this one because she was way off.
What I'm picking up is you feel like you've made the right choices and found victory because of that.
Okay.
Still no. Oh well.
Okay. Just wondering because it looks like a scary card.
Yeah, it's the coloring. I really think that's the deck.
Right. So, but you were definitely dead on with like losing hope, and that was yes, big time. So that was right on the money.
Good.
I recognize that some decks do have different interpretations of certain cards, so to be fair, I checked out the guidebook for her deck. Alas, not the case here. But missing 2 out of all those is pretty good, and her insights were otherwise dead on.
I guess my last question of the 3 would be about my physical health, because as you saw, I'm walking on a cane right now. I have broken bones, and there's a question of whether or not it's healed well enough for me to not need surgery.
Let's check it out. They're telling me you better be proactive or you're not going to like the outcome.
I know that nasty one there.
Now, it's not bad as long as they're if it's reversed, I don't have a bad feeling about it as much. But it does say you have to be proactive, not reactive.
Yeah, I'm not gonna
Okay. But they're also telling me you have a lot of friends and family and people around you telling you what you should be doing and you're not listening. Yeah. However, I do feel you will have some success in the future. I feel like it's going to heal up, but you're going to definitely need to talk to the doctor and make sure you haven't overdone it. It's right now they're saying you're not going to find a lot of heartbreak.
Yeah.
Okay, not a lot of disappointment, but it might not have healed as much as you might have hoped. Okay?
Yeah. All right. Well, it has been a pleasure. That was very insightful. Thank you so much.
Well, while she did fudge a few cards, she got most of them, and I respect that memorization is very difficult. Willow's insight was otherwise razor sharp. One thing I noticed that I completely expected is that it's pretty common for tarot readers or occultists to soften the edge of the nastier cards in the deck and really hold back on any negativity. That's not something I do in my practice, but I understand why other practitioners may fear the displeasure of a bummed out client. Future Faust here. Just thought you'd be interested in knowing that I've had my doctor's appointment since speaking with her about this issue. And it turns out that my healing has not gone well at all, and I will need surgery that for 2 months I've been hoping desperately I could avoid. So, tragically, if Willow had been less restrained about what the Tower and the Five of Cups meant for me, she would have been right. However, to be fair to Willow again, I completely understand why she wouldn't necessarily want to tell someone when they ask her, am I going to heal well? And the cards say, probably not. I was going to leave the video there, but then at the local goth bar, I met a gentleman practitioner named Dorian, who highly recommended the bar's diviner on staff. Her name was Nancy, and she's going to read my tea leaves. I've honestly never had that done before.
Okay, so look at a smaller symbol first. There's a large symbol and a smaller symbol. Oh, I found a third one. So right here, there's a rooster landing on a branch.
Okay.
A rooster means that you're calling attention to something you're doing. You're showing off. You're showing everybody what you need and what you want and what you're capable of. But that it's landing on a branch means that you found your spot, or you're about to find your spot. And it's spot like physical location, like the place where you need to stay. The next one's also a small symbol. There's a martini glass.
Cheers.
Exactly. That's pretty much what it means. Is you're having a good time over the next like year or so. It's a time where you connect with other people and you leave your cares behind. And then there's this interesting symbol. There's a person in enormous voluminous dress.
Oh, I see.
There's her hat at the top, and then there's a mask that she's taken off that she's holding in the and the dress makes it look like she's at a celebration or she's dancing. She's at a party or a fiesta or something. And it suggests that there are very good times ahead for you, and that in particular, you're celebrating a milestone that you want to celebrate with other people, and that you will be celebrating with other people. But the symbol of taking the mask off is interesting. It suggests you don't reveal who you are to everyone. A mask is usually something that's carefully created, and it can reveal who you are every bit as much as your facial expressions. I actually make masks in my other job, so
awesome.
I don't think that they're fake. I think they say something about you.
And in some cases they're necessary.
But you're seeing a time in your life when you can hold the mask up and say, this is who I am, but they can see who you are truly and see who you are in that way. And whatever it is, it's cause for celebration.
Oh, that's wonderful.
It suggests life changes happening that are sweeping and all-encompassing.
That would be lovely. Definitely, and welcome. So there are things I'm trying to manifest for sure. So that is, I truly hope that
that's more the rooster right here, and it's just your efforts are very strong, as well as, like I said, your roosters call attention to themselves. They also call attention to what's going on around them.
That was extremely insightful, and I love your vision, because I never would have seen the lady with the mask and the dress in that big clump, but I see it now that you say it, and but I never would have picked up on that myself.
Nancy's vision and ability to see symbols in the clumps of leaves really impressed me. I hope she's right, because her interpretation of my future sounds pretty fun. I think that's enough fun for now. Join me next time for my very first client request video about how to practice the esoteric arts without the consumption of tools that create smoke.